In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money count text animation in CapCut. We're building a simple, satisfying counter that ticks up by dollars, perfect for intros, ads, or any financial reveal. I'll guide you clearly from start to finish, so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. Start by opening CapCut and creating or opening a project where you want the effect. Make sure your timeline is visible and you're working at the resolution you plan to export in, like 16:9. This ensures your text size and placement stay consistent later. Next, click on Text and add a text box. Place it where you want the numbers to appear. Center is usually the cleanest. And scale it large enough to read easily on mobile and desktop. Keep it within the safe margins so nothing gets cropped. Type $1 into the text box. This will be the first frame of your counter. Keep it simple for now. We'll refine the look in a moment. Adjust the duration of this first text clip so it flashes quickly. Short durations make the count feel snappy and energetic. Aim for a consistent rhythm, and remember, you can fine-tune later. The key is that each increment appears for the same amount of time at this stage. Now change the color or style to match your project. Choose a bold, legible font, high contrast colors, and consider a subtle outline or shadow for readability over busy footage. A clean style keeps the effect professional and easy to follow. Copy and paste the text clip and change the content to $2. Place it immediately after the first clip with no gaps. Use snapping on the timeline to keep everything perfectly aligned. Repeat that for the rest of the numbers you want to show, like $3, $4, and so on, maintaining the same duration for each. This consistency creates that smooth counting feel. Rename each duplicate as you go to avoid mistakes. When all numbers are in order, select them and create a compound clip. This groups everything so you can move, scale, or position the entire animation as a single piece without knocking anything out of place. For the last number, make sure the duration is longer. That final hold lets viewers actually register the end value. If you're inside the compound, open it and extend just the final text clip. Now let's preview it. Hit play and watch for pacing, readability, and alignment. If something feels too fast or too small, tweak the durations, position, or style until it looks clean and intentional. And that's your money count text animation ready to use.